At WWDC 2024, Apple has showcased the iOS 18 with a wide range of AI-driven features, from eye-catching customization to much improved performance or enhanced security. The latest iteration of iOS seems to have covered all the key aspects. As expected, a large number of iPhone users are going to install the iOS 18 beta to test the pre-release features. If you're one of them, this video is for you. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, I would recommend you to fully back up your iPhone. There are all sorts of reasons why you should back up your iPhone before installing the iOS 18 beta. It not only provides an extra layer of seal to your data, but also offers you the needed freedom to return to the stable version of iOS as and when the need arrives without losing any data at all. To back up your iPhone to iCloud, you have to launch the Settings app on your device and then tap on your profile at the top. Then select iCloud. After that, select iCloud Backup and then back up your device to iCloud. And if you want to back up your device to your computer, you have to first connect your device to your computer and then you have to launch Finder on your Mac. And if you are using a Windows device, you have to launch iTunes. And then you have to select your device, and after that you have to back up your device. And once you have taken care of all the basics, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone and then you have to select General. After that, select Software Update. Then choose Beta Updates. And after that, select iOS 18 Developer Beta. And then you have to tap on the back button at the top left. And finally, you have to tap on Download iOS 18 Beta and then you have to download and install it without any hindrance. And that's pretty much it. I hope you have managed to successfully install the latest iteration of iOS on your iPhone. Now it's time to take the brand new features for a test drive and discover how neat they actually are. Rest assured, I'll keep sharing my thoughts about the new add-ons, so remain tuned in to ensure you don't miss out on any hidden features. And I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye.